You buy your lavalier microphone and when you use it, it's like, what's going on? Hey guys, my name is Arya, I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. When you want to plug the microphone on your t-shirt or anything, you have to do that like a professional. And actually, there's a name for that. It calls broadcast loop. What is the broadcast loop? Plug the microphone on this part and adjust the wire like this. Make sure the wire is under your shirt and plug that on your shirt. But it really depends on the kind of lavalier mic you have. For example, I use the Boya BY-M1. This microphone doesn't have this part. If the grip has this part, your broadcast loop is fully done. But you can make it work anyway. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you all next time.